So to make lamb chops, first clean chops neatly with water and remove excess fat. If you like fat you can keep, but basically I remove the excess fat. Then for marination, put one whole lemon juice, then add some curd, it depends on the quantity. Don't add too much curd so it will be more runny, we don't need. Then add meat masala according to the quantity. Then add tandoori masala, whichever you have. It's not necessary this company or like that. Whatever you have you cannot add. After that, 1 tablespoon of salt, or according to you, whatever you want. Then 1.5 teaspoon of red chili powder. How much spicy you want you can add. Then later on, turmeric also same, 1.5 teaspoon. Then coriander powder, 2 teaspoon. Then 1.5 teaspoon of garam masala and 1/2 teaspoon of cumin powder. After that, add mustard oil, not too much. Now the all masala and everything is ready. Now you can mix nicely. After mixing it nicely, you can cover and you can keep for good marination. You can keep in fridge. It will get more taste. Then later on, you have to prepare one pan. Apply a little bit oil. It not get stick too much, not get dark. Then place the marinated lamb chops in the pan. Place it nicely. And then cover with foil and put in oven for 1.5 hour on 160 degrees Celsius. It will be nice and tender and juicy too.